In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Instagram on your Windows device. First of all, click on Windows Start menu, then search Microsoft Store. In the top search bar, search Instagram, hit enter. You will see Instagram application at the left hand side. Click on Instagram application. To install the Instagram application, click on Get. It will take few moments to download and install Instagram on your Windows device. Please wait few moments. Once installed done, click on Open. Now you can use Instagram application. You will get this pop-up, pin to taskbar, pin to start, create desktop shortcut, then click on allow. I will create desktop shortcut, that's why I am checking this box. Then click on allow. Now you can use Instagram on your Windows device. That's how we can install Instagram application on Windows device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel.